What's up, everyone? Today it's time to do some work on the new Edge. So for those of you that don't know, this is my new to me 2000 Mustang GT. I acquired it about a month ago. And if you want to know why, watch the reveal video. That's all I'm going to say. But today we're going to be installing a new exhaust on the car, because right now it just ends at the mufflers, and we'll show you once we get under there. And I don't like that, because all the sound gets trapped underneath the car, and it's unpleasant when driving at like highway speeds. It drones real bad. So my thinking is, with a new exhaust, it's going to push the exhaust out the back of the car and it won't drone as bad. But I decided to go with the DNA Motoring catback exhaust for about 200 bucks on the eBays. Yeah, I mean, it's an exhaust. I'm pretty impressed. For 200 bucks, these welds are real nice and the mufflers are shiny. It's got protective film on it so they don't get all messed up. It's got hangers. 4-inch polished tips. Yeah, so we're going to take the flow masters off and put this on and try and fix a exhaust leak. Maybe if we have time, but probably not. We might throw the wideband in, but we'll see how it goes. But main thing is to get the exhaust installed today. So I already got the car and ramps. Soaked the bolts in WD-40 last night. So now we just got to jack the back of the car up and get under there. You excited, Randall?
For what?
I'm working on Mustang.
No.
Yeah, you are.
Alright, so got the back of the car jacked up, and now you can see what we're working with. So all we really got to do is take off this section here and then put the new exhaust in, because it just, like I said, it just ends at the muffler there. So take 4 bolts out, take this out, put a new one in. And this guy, I don't know what he did. That is Yankee. It's like 3 different pipes to delete the cats. That's gonna have to be replaced, but not today. Anyway, I'm gonna get started on this. Alright, do a little time lapse, Izzy, and get a new one in. Okie dokie, got the old mufflers off. These good old Flow Masters. I don't know what series they are or anything like that. I don't know. But I've done some questionable things when working on vehicles, like as far as how we do it and whatnot. But this exhaust, it's funny. Looks like they reused an old exhaust pipe. It's just, I don't know. It's just weird to me. But those are off. So now we put the new ones on. So one thing I did notice before I started on this adventure is that this side, this is where the tailpipe, ooh, that's kind of weird looking. It was all wavy. This side here, that's the hanger for the tailpipe. There's no rubber piece in it. And then I looked down on that side and there's one completely missing. So, went to the junkyard and acquired 2 new tailpipe hangers. So I gotta put those in. So I had a thought before, as I was putting these on. I said, self, maybe it'd be easier if I put these on the tailpipes first. So we're gonna try that. And probably have to take them right back off because it's not gonna work. But we'll see. Yeah, so definitely jinxed myself. I should have never said this was going to be easy, because what seems to be easy never turns out that way. But I finally got the tailpipe over the axle. This is what I had to do since our jack won't jack the car up high enough to have enough ground clearance to get the pipe over it. But, so what I had to do, I had to take this off. I don't know what it's called. Whatever. Doesn't matter. I had to take this off and the wheel off, and then I was able to get the tailpipe over the axle. So, now that I know that, this should... Well, I'm not going to say nothing. Never mind. Now that I know that, we're going to... Well, I'm going to do the rest. Randall had to bolt because it was getting past time, but should be smooth sailing from here. Alright, I don't know if you can see it, but I got the tailpipe on now. Now I can put the center section with the muffler on, and then I can start on the second side. This dude certainly went to town with the blue spray paint. He's painted the shocks, the rotor, the backing plate, and the caliper. And all that under there. He was definitely a fan of blue. Okay, got the second tailpipe on. Gotta put the muffler on. And a bit of advice: before you bolt everything up in its final resting place, they put this nice protective vinyl over the muffler to keep it from scratching. Take that off before you bolt everything up, because it's a pain in the butt to get it off the top of the muffler when it's all the way bolted in. But just got to put this one in and then we're done. Finally got it on there. The fitment on these $200 eBay exhausts aren't the greatest. So you can see that one's pretty center, but on this side it's pretty close to the bumper. But I'll just have to maybe mess with the exhaust hangers and stuff like that. But I'm gonna start it up and see how bad it leaks. have to say I like the sound of that better than the Flowmasters. I don't hear any leaks. I do still have the one leak up by the exhaust manifold. Or it might have. I wonder if that fixed it. I'll have to take it for a drive and see. But yeah, it sounds pretty good. I'm gonna get everything cleaned up and then take it around the block real quick. All right, let's see what it's like on the road. It is a lot quieter on the inside, that is for sure. I like that. Make sure I don't run over anything. Oh, I like that so much better. Oh, something just fell off. Ooh, that sounds nice. I'm gonna have to put the GoPro on the back. See if I can get it while I'm going. New exhaust smell. That sounds so much better than those Flowmasters. Wait for it to warm up a little bit before I punch it. Squirrel! Get out of the way! I'm happy with it. $200 well spent. I know. Everyone's gonna say, "What is an eBay exhaust?" Blah blah blah. But you know, it is what it is. All right, we're up to temperature. So here we go. That's nice. That's so nice. That is so nice. It almost feels smoother with the pipes on. It could just be me, but I don't know. I like it. Not as loud, not as drony in here. It's not drony in here at all. Let me roll up the windows real quick and see what it's like. Oh yeah, that's quiet. It's so quiet. That's perfect. But when you get on it, it gets loud, which is pretty much exactly what I wanted. I don't hear anything rubbing. It was kind of close on the passenger side. The muffler was pretty close to rubbing on the control arm or whatever that thing is. But I don't hear anything rubbing. I do still have the exhaust leak. But I'll have to address that another day. I can't work on this thing all day. Yeah, it's pretty impressive. I'm going to pull over and put the GoPro on the bumper now. Let's hope this doesn't fall off.
impressed with the DNA motoring catback exhaust. I'll probably get some new exhaust hangers to. I just noticed that it's kind of, I don't know, it might be the angle, but it looks kind of like it's drooping a little bit. But other than that, definitely impressed with it. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Gonna get the garage cleaned up. I'm gonna get cleaned up, enjoy some time with the family. Let me know what you think of the new exhaust. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And if you're watching this video, chances are that you like Mustangs. We just dropped a new Mustang design in our merch store. So if you could go check those out, pick one up, really helps us out, and we'll see you next time. Peace.